आपके भी दोस्त नालायक हैं? क्या आपका भी गोवा का प्लान सालों से कैंसिल हो रहा है? क्या आप भी परेशान हैं इस कोविड रेस्ट्रिक्शन से? क्या आप भी नाराज हैं आपके घर वालों से क्योंकि उन्होंने आपको गोवा जाने नहीं दिया? क्या आप परेशान हैं मेरे इस क्वेश्चंस के सीरीज से? अरे अरे, वीडियो बंद मत करो। Hello guys and gals, welcome everyone to your favorite food journey by the name Everyday Kitchen Stories by Yum Yum Duo. See, it's practically impossible for me to get you out of this COVID craziness and impossible for me to change your nalayak dost log. But what I can help you with is getting a bit of a Goan vibe at your home. How? देखो, गोवा में फेमस क्या है? Beautiful sunny and sandy beaches. Just अपनी आंखें बंद कर लो. Imagine sitting on a beach chair, sipping on a pina colada, and feeling those salty winds across the face. आहा, सुसेगाद गोवा. काय पात्रांव, गोवान पावलास ना? काय ती कोकणची माणसं साधी भोळी, काय जात त्यांच्या भरली शहाळी, त्यांच्या काळजात भरली शहाळी. काय ती गोड भाषा. तुमचा एक पाय नक्कीच गोव्याच्या लाल मातीत रुतला असेलच एव्हाना. आता राहिला विषय म्हणजे गोवन खाण्याचा, गोवन फूडचा. मस्त चण्याचं रोस, विंदालू, शाकुती, बेबिनका, आंबोळी, काफ्रियाल काफ्रियाल काफ्रियाल. चला मग गोवा घरी आणूया आणि मस्त गालींचा काफ्रियाल बनवूया. चला. Did you know this galincha cafreal or chicken cafreal was brought to Goa by the Portuguese from Mozambique? Interesting, na? It is either made on a charcoal grill or it can be a pan fried preparation also. We'll be making it a pan fried. So let's check out the ingredients. फर्स्ट चिकनला आपण स्लिट्स मारून घ्यायचे. नाहीतर छान डीप स्लिट झाले पाहिजे. बट मेक शुअर चिकनचे तुकडे नाही झाले पाहिजे आणि मॅरिनेशन छान आतपर्यंत जाईल म्हणून ह्या स्लिट्स. You can use the chicken with the skin also. You'll get a crispy coat out of it. But if you want, you can remove the skin and use it. No problem. Now, in one previous video, I have already informed you about the importance of marination, especially for non-veg dishes. So let's add some salt and vinegar to the chicken. The vinegar has to be toddy vinegar, but also you can use the regular one like I am using. Minutes. Till then, we will be making the masala for the kaffriya. Now let's grind together the fresh coriander, all the masalas what we took earlier in a grinder. You can also use the mortar and pestle what we used in a couple of episodes. But right now I'll be using a grinder. Fresh coriander, the cumin seeds, black peppercorn. See, Cafreal, the most important thing is the pepper. It is more of a peppery kind of a dish. So you use more of peppercorns, like maybe a tablespoon of it. So peppercorns, a cinnamon stick, cloves, a couple of green elaichi, a few cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger. We'll cut it before. 4 green chilies. See, as I said, there will be a peppery flavor to it. The green chilies add to the spice of it. And the fennel seeds. Salt. You get it? Now, I'll add a onion to it. Take a small onion, not a big one, just to increase the thickness of the masala. Add some turmeric powder to it. That's about it. A few drops of vinegar. And we are done. Let's grind this together. Now, let's apply this marinade to the chicken pieces. Beautiful. And add some olive oil to it. Now let's heat the pan and put some olive oil in it. पॅन आणि ऑइल एकदम गरम असले पाहिजे. त्याने होते काय तर चिकन व्यवस्थित सील होतं. सील होते म्हणजे काय, बेसिकली चिकनचे ज्युसेस are trapped in the chicken so that it becomes more of a juicy and a tender kind of a plate, right? So let's go and put the chicken in the pan. मस्त तापलेला आहे. We'll put the masala also to give it a gravy texture to it. Once the chicken is sealed, then what to do? Lower the temperature and let it cook by putting a lid on the top of it. One more addition. There's another trick to it. You know what? We slice the potatoes and put the slices in between the pieces. potato soaks all the juices and flavors of the masala as well as the chicken. What beautiful taste you get out of it. Here you put the potatoes. Awesome. Within 10 minutes, the chicken will be done with the tenderness intact. Don't overcook the chicken, or else what will happen, it will go more of a chewy, rubbery kind of a thing. If you cook it the right temperature and right time, it will remain juicy and tender. Aha! Once it's done, switch off the gas and let's get to plating. Let's serve it with garma garam lachha paratha. Let's go. Now let's start with the plating. We first take the potato slices. छान त्याला एकदम एका लाईनीत अरेंज करूया. Place the chicken on top. Some lemon wedges. Crispy paratha to go. Goa has a very special place in everyone's heart. I know that. I have spent my glorious 3 years of college life in Goa. Jealous, na? Thinking of it just leaves me with goosebumps. Just like right now. You have a lot of memories attached to Goa. Some of them are bitter, some of them are sweet. किसी को पहला प्यार याद दिलाता है गोवा, किसी को पहला ब्रेकअप, किसी को पहला नशा. Make this Cafreal at your home, reliving your sweet memories of Goa, walking those beautiful lanes, sitting aram se on the beach shacks of the silver sands of silver beaches. बघा माझी आठवण येते का? आठवण येऊ न येऊ, हा कॅफ्रियल तुमचा कसा बनतो हे कमेंट्स मध्ये नक्की कळवा. Well, last but not the least, what? Simple. Hit the like, share the love, and subscribe the journey ahead with Everyday Kitchen Stories by Yum Yum Duo.